Thank you. You may be seated. For the record, the defendant, his attorneys, and the state are all present. So we have another note from the jurors. It says, after additional discussion amongst all jurors, we are still deadlocked. Okay, so we will bring them out and announce a hung jury, and then I'll read them their instructions. Do you have the certificates?
I do, Judge. One second.
Okay, thank you.
Richard?
Yeah. Okay, I need the jury's coming out. She's got to go. No, that way, please, that way.
No, I don't. Just 1 second.
The jurors are coming out. Ma'am, I need you out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Go. You can bring them now. Sorry for that.
All rise for the jury. All jurors are present.
All right, thank you. You may be seated. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've received your note indicating that you continue to be a deadlock, and so at this time I will declare a mistrial and a hung jury. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for many centuries our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized, for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. You are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations. You are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might want to find fault with you, from the media, from the attorneys, or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as jurors. So I thank you. I know it's been a long couple of weeks. I know you all put your heart and soul into it, and you were here for very long hours listening to all of the evidence, so we appreciate your work. Now that means that you are released and you're able to speak about anything you'd like to, but remember, you don't have to speak to anyone if it makes you feel uncomfortable. I have a certificate for each of you for your service. You can hang it up on your wall, and I'll bring them over to you. Mr. Kaptowski, thank you for your service. Ms. Brown, thank you again for your service. Ms. Bermudez, thank you for your service. Ms. Jimenez, thank you for your service. Ms. Shakeman, Mr. Shakeman, I keep saying Yuri because my friend's name is Yuri. And Ms. Anderson, thank you so much for your service. You are all released. Have a great afternoon.
All rise for the jury. Follow me.
All right, thank you. You may be seated. So what I'll do is ask Eric to put this on calendar for tomorrow so everyone can look at their schedules to see when we retry the case. Okay, just look for some dates in the next couple of weeks. All right? Huh? Not for that.
Your Honor, there's a couple things we were hoping we could address now.
Tomorrow.
All rise.